Good morning, everyone. I am Rahul Yadav. I am studying in MBA HR specialization. Today we are going. It is the very interesting topic: human resource planning. First, we will see the meaning of the introduction. Meaning of human resource. The human resource planning is a process of forecasting the organization demand for and supply of the manpower need in the near future. Process of human resource planning. The 6-step process of human resource planning: analyzing organization objective, interesting of present human resource, forecasting demand and supply of human resource, stating manpower gaps, formulating final human resource action plan, motivation control and feedback. The analyzed organization objective. The objective to be achieved in future in various fields such as product marketing, finance, expansion and sales give the idea about the work to be done in the organization. Second, inventory of present human resource. For the update human resource information strength system, the current human of the employee, their capacity, presentation and potential can be analyzed to fill the various job requires the internal source. Forecasting demand and supply of the human resource. The human resource required a different position according to the job profit are the to be internal and external sources to fulfill those requirements are also measured. There should be proper matching of the job description and the object specialization of the human particular work and the project of the present should be the situation of the it. Estimating manpower gaps. Compensation of the human resource demand and human resource supply will they provide with the surplus on the deficit of the human resource. Deficit represent the number of the people to be employed. There were supplies represent termination interview. Use the proper training and development program can be do not upgrade the skill of the employees. For formulating the human resource action plan. The human resource plan depended on the where there is the definition of the surplus in the organization. According the plan be the financial there for the new required training international translation in the case of the deficient to the termination or valuatory retirement system the replacement in the case of the surplus. Monitoring, control and feedback. In mainly involves implementation of the human resource action plan, human resource and allocate according of the requirement and investor are the updated over the period. The plan is the monitoring strictly in the identify the definition and the remove it comparison between the human resource plan and its a complete implementation is the done of the ensure the appropriate action and the availability of the required number of the employee for the various job. Thank you.